Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be covering a course called Introduction to Script Writing, which is run by Future Learning. The course is free, and I found out about this from the BBC television website. Today I'll be showing you my profile and what the course involves. And this will help you decide whether this course is for you. The great thing is free, and you do get a certificate for a small fee. But I would recommend it because you do learn a lot and how to improve your writing skills, especially if you like to tell stories. It's great. Next, I will be showing you my profile. This is my profile, and in pink you can see the course Introduction to Screenwriting, which is run by East Anglia University. Next, I will go into the profile and show you what the course involves. As you can see, for week 1, you will be covering the basic elements of a script. There will be an introduction video which will explain and walk you through of how this course will run and what you will cover. In the second week, you will learn about character development and other factors which are in a script. And hopefully you will produce your first draft at the end of it. And plus you get a certificate, which there is a small fee. I will send a link below so you can look for yourself. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you on my next video. Subscribe to my channel if you like. Otherwise, thank you for watching and goodbye.